Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by defining a tight objective, what code you need and why. Install or access the AI model and ensure your repo or sandbox is reachable. Then prepare a minimal reproducible example and any data schema so the model has context. Once done, write your first prompt with explicit input/output examples and desired language, libraries, and formatting. Make sure to pin versions and mention tests. This avoids vague suggestions. Next, get the model to produce a stepwise plan and pseudocode so you both agree on the approach. You should request unit tests and explicit edge cases up front because tests guide correct implementation. Generate one small function at a time, run it, and then iterate. Fix failures, ask the model to patch only the failed area, and rerun. Once a component passes tests, integrate it into the larger system, and refactor for readability and performance. Finally, assemble components, add integration tests, and write inline documentation and usage examples so others can run your code. Freeze dependency versions and create a pull request or release with changelog notes. If something breaks, reproduce the issue locally, isolate the smallest failing example, and ask the model for a targeted patch. Include error messages, stack traces, and failing test output. One key tip: always run tests after changes. Tests reveal hidden assumptions and prevent regressions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.